Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about the cheapest SHA Plus hotels in Phuket. As you guys already know that starting 1st of July you can go Phuket without quarantine, but there you have to stay in a SHA Plus hotel, SHA certified hotel for 14 days. If you don't know what is SHA Plus hotels, I have made a video about it. You can check that video by clicking the video in the card, or you can check that video by the description. I will provide the link of that video in which I have told you that what is SHA Plus hotels and what is HSA certification in Phuket. So in this video I will tell you about the top 5 cheapest SHA Plus hotels in Phuket where you can stay while you arrive in the Phuket. So this is your host Nixon Rivera, and without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So the first hotel in our list is ADO Phuket Hotel. Here you can see on your screen, this hotel is pretty much good and rooms are available from the 10,500 bahts. If you will convert it into dollar, then let me show you how much it is. So here you can see 10,500 Thai baht is $330. Alright, there is many rooms available in this hotel, but I have shown you the cheapest one, which is 10,500 baht, the standard double bedroom, and this is for 14 nights. Alright, this room is very nice that you can see even the pictures. I will show you the pictures. Here you can see the pictures of these hotels. I'll provide you the link of this hotel so you can check it out. So now let's jump into our second number hotel. So the second hotel in our list is Port Lagaon Resort. This is actually a resort, alright. So Phuket Sandbox Hotel, this is also SHA certified. So now let's see prices of this hotel. So the cheapest price for this hotel is 11,000 baht. Now let's see what 11,000 baht is. So let's check it. 11,000 baht is $346. So for $346 you could get this room. This is the second hotel in our list. Here you can see more rooms, but I will show you the cheapest only. If I will show you the pictures of this hotel, then you may see this. You can actually check it out. So let's not waste time in this video. I'll provide you the links of this hotel so you can check it manually. So the third hotel in our list is Bandra Phuket Beach Resort. This is actually a resort. This is not an hotel just. So what's the cheapest price? Let's check it out. Rooms are available for 11,200 bahts for 14 days. And I don't think so that food are included. Maybe food is excluded. So let's check now. How much is 11,200 Thai baht? So 11,200 Thai baht is $352 only, and this is just a third number hotel in our list. This resort is also looking very beautiful. Let me show you pictures. I will also provide the link of this all 5 hotels so you can check it. I would be glad if I would be in this hotel. I like that Bandra Phuket Beach Resort. I recommend you to stay here. So now let's jump into our fourth hotel. Alright, the name of our fourth hotel is Best Western Patong Beach Hotel. Now let's see its price. This hotel is also looking so beautiful. The price of this rooms is just 11,200, same as the third number. So this is again $352. I will not speak a lot because video will be long. So let's now jump into our fifth hotel, which is the Seabed Grand Hotel Phuket. This hotel is looking pretty much good, and it's extremely good if you are going to see this one picture. So now let's check out the hotel price. 12,950, approximately 13,000 Thai baht. So now let's check its price. 13,000 Thai baht is equal to $409 for 14 days. So this was the top 5 cheapest SHA Plus hotels in the Phuket city. Because if you are going to use the Sandbox program and you want to travel in Phuket without quarantine, then you have to stay in a SHA Plus hotels. I have told you that what is SHA Plus hotels. You can see my previous video by clicking the description or in the end screen. You only have to stay in SHA Plus hotel in order to avail the Sandbox program. And if you don't want to stay in SHA Plus hotel, then you have to be in quarantine instead of being quarantine free in Phuket. And you have to stay in a SHA Plus hotels for at least 14 days before traveling anywhere else. You can change your hotel after 14 days, but 14 days is mandatory. You have to stay in a SHA Plus hotels for 14 days. Alright guys? So that's it guys for this video. If you still have any kind of question, please ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. Also you can check those hotels links. I have provided the links of that hotels in which you can check the rooms. Also there is many hotels and many rooms you can check and book according to yourself. And the Sandbox program is just, they are just talking about it. It's not like they have implemented it, but they may implement it as soon as possible starting 1st of July. And by the line that I said that you have to stay in this hotel for 14 days or 14 nights, it doesn't mean that you will not be allowed to go out of the hotel. You can go out of the hotel. It's not like a quarantine. You can go out of hotel room and come back, and you have to stay in that hotel again for 14 nights. SHA Plus Hotel is a kind of hotel in which their 70% of their staff are vaccinated, so they can provide you a good service and you can interact with them as well. So see you guys in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.